back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I'm playing in Canva just to do something fun. It's never too late to design and create something new, even if it's the day of your event. I wouldn't advise you to wait, but hey, things happen. So, I'm looking at Gobble Till You Wobble, a fun shirt design that I am playing around with. So, I simply created this by going to my text, clicking the text box. I went to add a heading and I typed Gobble Till You Wobble. So I'll recreate that for you guys. Just over here. And if you go and click on each individual word, you can change the font of that particular word without having to change the whole thing. So the first font is Nor'Wester. So I'm just going to highlight that and click Nor'Wester. And it should still be up here as my top font. The next font style is Finger Paint. So again, you can just click on it, highlight, and click Finger Paint. The last one I know is Bangers, and this one is Gaglin. If I'm pronouncing that correctly, I believe I am. So you just want to highlight everything, click it, and that will change your font. And if you don't actually see the font, you can type the word in here and it will give you the font that you're looking for. You can change the font size to whatever you want, but this particular set of font is at a 70.2. So you can change it by just clicking on it, typing it, and hit enter, and it should automatically change everything for you. And you can size it down, size it up, do whatever you like to get it to what you would like it to be. And I think mine is expanded out a little bit more on one side than the other. But you can do what you want to make it work for you. But Gobble Till You Wobble. So, what I was trying to, the other thing I did, which might have an effect on why it looks different. I changed the spacing on this side. You can see that the spacing is different from this to this. This is what the original spacing is, and this is what I changed my spacing to. So you don't have to go by my spacing, but my spacing is currently set to 0.98. So when you click this and go to spacing, I would highlight the whole thing just to make sure it's going to space all of your lines together and not separate a few of them. And you can just take it down to that spacing size. And then if you go back again and do 70.2, it might give you a closer look to, what I have beside it. So that's one thing you can do. And then you can go to your elements and add some fun designs. I had the forks here. Wasn't sure if I would actually want to use the forks. But it's up to you if you wanted to lay the forks behind it, underneath, whatever you like. These pink forks are actually kind of cute. So, again, I don't know what designs people want to go for, what type of look, but that's kind of fun to me. Especially if you're, you like more of a simple look, something monochromatic, or a few color designs in your, few colors in your design. Some people don't like a whole bunch of colors and fonts and styles. They want something simple. So I would flip this like a mirror image, put it on the other side, and angle it the opposite way. Try to get it almost identical in almost identical in angle, like a 45-degree angle. That's what I'm trying to say. But you can do whatever you want. That's really cute. And of course, you can always change your font. Now, you can print this and use it for sublimation. Use it for a canvas design. You can make it a sticker. So many things that you can do with this. If I wanted to change my color or colors, I could do that. It gives it a different look. But I'm going to save mine because I actually think I want to make some t-shirts. Who knows? I might change the font. I like the Banger style at the bottom. So I might change everything to match that. Because it's just kind of a fun vibe. I don't know if my daughter is feeling my grammatical errors, which are on purpose. But she's a spelling bee champ, and so she wants me to spell things correctly. But I'm liking the fun lettering on this. Anywho, this is just a quick design. If you want to throw something together, have something fun for Thanksgiving, you can do that. And you will have something fun for your family. A canvas, a t-shirt, a cup, a mug, whatever you want to do. Just enjoy yourself. Have a good time. Enjoy your family this holiday season. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe as I continue to play around. So have a great day. I hope this helps somebody.